In this video, I'll explain when payments for closed Google AdSense accounts are sent. Many people have been asking this, so I wanted to clear it up once and for all. I've covered this topic before, but there were still some lingering questions. After watching, you'll be able to check your own account to see when payments from a closed AdSense account will arrive. I've gone through this myself, so I can give you a clear explanation. First, log into your AdSense email and go to pay.google.com. Once there, navigate to Subscriptions and Services. Click Cancel, then Manage, and note that if your balance is above $10, you'll be eligible for a payout. Now, the main question is, when exactly will you receive this payment? Let me explain. For example, my account was closed on March 26th. I received an email explaining that the account was terminated due to a detected violation. Many people overlook the details in these emails. They often just see, "Your account is closed," and stop reading. But this email clearly states that payments are initially held for 30 days. It also mentions that if there are any invalid activity deductions during this period, the payment will be held further for an additional 30 days. After that, your payment will be released. To show you how this works, go to View Transactions in your AdSense account. Since my account closed on March 26th, my payment was originally scheduled for April 26th after the 30-day hold. However, an invalid activity check occurred between April 14th and 15th. Because of this, the hold period restarted, and my payment is now expected between May 14th and 15th. This process explains why your payment might be delayed. It's held for 30 days after the account closure, and any invalid activity resets the hold for another 30 days. Once my payment arrives around May 14th or 15th, I'll update you via YouTube and subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Hopefully, this clears up any confusion about when your payment from a closed AdSense account will be sent. Now, you don't need to ask anyone when your payout will arrive. You can check it yourself. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more updates.